Motorcycle was buried in snow for years. Forgotten, rusted, left to die. But what if I told you this was Jake's legendary Subway surfer's bike? Today, we're bringing it back to life. From frozen junk to unstoppable machine. In a frozen silence, a legend sleeps beneath the snow. Once built for speed, now buried by time. A flash of color fights through the white. Jake's motorcycle, forgotten and alone. Its tires locked in ice. Rust creeping across vibrant metal. A racing spirit trapped in winter. But today, that changes. Snow begins to fall away. Ice shatters under steady hands. Warm water melts years of neglect. Colors slowly return to life. The graffiti tells its story again. Every scratch a memory of the past. The restoration begins now. Heavy machinery answers the call. Steel cables grip the frozen frame. Slowly, it rises from the snow. Ice falls like shattered history, secured for a second chance. Leaving the cold behind. The road to revival starts here. Workshop lights await. Under bright lights, truth is revealed. Cracks across the fairings. A frame bent, but not broken. Rust invading the exhaust. An engine silent for years. Wires worn and brittle. Battery drained of life. Every detail inspected. A plan takes shape. Foam blankets the wounded body. Pressure strips away the grime. Mud flows off like melted time. The chain clean link by link. Exhaust polished to reflection. Seat restored with care. Bolts reborn from rust. Clean and ready for healing. The engine opens, exposing its heart. Pistons cleaned with precision. Rust meets the grinder's fire. Fresh bearings breathe strength inside.
Perfect fit, that's secure.
Oil flows like new blood. Fuel lines reconnect the system. Wires carry life once more. The heart is rebuilt. New brakes restore control. Fresh tires grip the ground. A new chain links power to motion. A bright LED I installed. The speedometer lights up. Power surges from new battery. Fairings aligned with perfection. Every bolt tightened with purpose. Strength returns to the frame. The surface prepared for rebirth. Primer lays a new foundation. Red paint returns with confidence. Gloss spreads across the body. Graffiti reborn stroke by stroke. Bright colors reclaim their glory. Clear coat seals the art forever. Polish reveals a mirror shine. Chrome gleams under workshop lights. Mirrors reflect a new beginning. Grips ready for the ride. Fluids filled and systems checked. Exhaust tuned for power. Final inspection flawless. The key turns slowly. The engine roars back to life. Silence replaced by thunder. The workshop doors open wide. Sunlight kisses fresh paint. The engine revs with pride. Wheels begin to roll again.